Dogecoin cost truly equivalent to $0.0735 a coin, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.0730-0.0740, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0734, or so they for the most part thought. The change basically was plus 0.0001, plus 0.14% in an every way that really matters, large way. Reverse rate, USD to Doge, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.072. Really greatest 0.077. In every practical sense, least 0.067 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.074. Truly most extreme 0.079. Genuinely least 0.069 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.075. Extremely greatest 0.080. Exceptionally least 0.070, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.075. Essentially greatest 0.080, certainly least 0.070, which generally is genuinely critical. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $0.075, kind of most extreme 0.080, sort of least 0.070, which in a real sense is very huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $0.074, sort of most extreme 0.079, by and large least 0.069 in a significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.074, especially most extreme 0.079, truly least 0.069 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.073, really greatest 0.078, sort of least 0.068, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068, showing that Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.074, certainly greatest 0.079, kind of least 0.069 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost $0.074, essentially greatest 0.079, least 0.069, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.070, certainly most extreme 0.075, certainly least 0.065, or so they fundamentally thought. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.070, especially greatest 0.075, least 0.065 in an extremely significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.067, in every practical sense, greatest 0.072, least 0.062, or so they most certainly thought. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.069, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.074, especially least 0.064 in a huge way. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $0.068, beautiful greatest 0.073, most certainly least 0.063 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $0.069, extremely greatest 0.074, certainly least 0.064, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how the earlier day close, 0.0734 in a by and large enormous way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.069, especially greatest 0.074, really least 0.064, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.068, most certainly greatest 0.073, especially least 0.063, which is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.066, genuinely most extreme 0.071, by and large least 0.061 in a by and large significant manner. In about a month Dogecoin gauge on Friday, June 16, cost $0.067 in every practical sense. Greatest 0.072, most certainly least 0.062, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.067, truly most extreme 0.072, by and large least 0.062, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.068, certainly greatest 0.073, really least 0.063, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to Doge conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 13.6073 coins per $1, which for the most part shows that Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.069, especially greatest 0.074, kind of least 0.064, which generally is genuinely critical. Today, S-reach 135190136968, which basically is very critical. The past day, S nearby, 13.6221, or so they truly thought. Change for now 0.0148, 0.11%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 22, cost 13.889 coins. Lovely greatest 14.925, beautiful least 12.987. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 13.514 coins, kind of most extreme 14.493, kind of least 12.658 in a really significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 24, cost 13.333 coins, really greatest 14.286, lovely least 12.500 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 13.333 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 14.286, especially least 12.500, which really is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 26, cost 13.333 coins, greatest 14.286, genuinely least 12.500, or so they basically thought. USD to Doge expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 13.514 coins, especially greatest 14.493, essentially least 12.658, exhibiting how Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.070, extremely greatest 0.075, certainly least 0.065, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 13.514 coins, kind of greatest 14.493, fundamentally least 12.658, or so they basically thought. USD to Doge expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 13.699 coins, genuinely most extreme 14.706, essentially least 12.821, which certainly is very critical. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 1, cost 13.699 coins, beautiful greatest 14.706, by and large least 12.821, which especially is genuinely huge. In about 14 days,